Welcome to the heart of Michigan, where the rich flavors of Detroit's soul food captivate both locals and visitors alike. In this video, we're diving into the delicious world of comfort food that defines the culinary landscape of this vibrant city. From smothered pork chops to gooey mac and cheese, Detroit offers a tantalizing array of dishes that are steeped in tradition and bursting with flavor. Soul food in Detroit is more than just nourishment, it's a powerful symbol of cultural heritage and communal pride. Originating from the African American communities in the South, soul food made its way north during the Great Migration. As we explore popular local eateries, we'll uncover how these time-honored recipes have been preserved and adapted in Detroit, creating a unique blend that celebrates historical significance and contemporary tastes. No tour of Detroit's soul food scene would be complete without digging into some of the city's most beloved dishes. First up, we have the classic fried chicken, crispy on the outside and juicy within. Then there's the delectable catfish, seasoned to perfection and fried golden brown. And of course, we can't forget about the sides, the collard greens, candied yams, and cornbread that round out any soul food meal. Join us as we visit some of the most iconic soul food restaurants in Detroit. Each spot has its own story and a unique twist on classic dishes. We'll speak with chefs and owners who pour their hearts into their food, ensuring every plate not only satisfies the stomach, but also the soul. These culinary havens provide a warm welcome to all who come through their doors, offering a taste of home-cooked comfort. As our culinary journey comes to a close, it's clear that Detroit's soul food is more than just a cuisine. It's an experience threaded with history, passion, and community. Each bite tells a story of resilience and celebration, inviting everyone to partake in its rich flavors. Whether you're a long-time resident or a first-time visitor, exploring Detroit's soul food scene promises an unforgettable adventure in taste and tradition.